What's up everybody, this is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Today I've got this 98 Lexus GS400 in the shop. This is a all client supplied equipment build, which means I'm generally not so super stoked about it. But it is, however, the Nissan Q45 Projector assemblies, which I've wanted to work with my entire career, so I can finally check these off my bucket list. And that about ends my positivity on this build, because this is very much a Lexus dream build with a Toyota budget, if you know what I'm saying. We've got these projectors, which are super rad and cool, that are mounted via some brackets that he supplied to me and sent me some link to some tutorial. So it was a really straightforward build. Unfortunately, I can't even turn them on. This client insisted on buying his D2S bulbs from Amazon, so he's gonna put his own bulbs in later to save a few bucks. Good for him. I also removed the amber reflector from that little location right there, which was super easy cheesy. And if you want to know what I'm honestly most sad about of all, is that we've got a Q45 projector and we didn't use a high lens, high beam LED projector in the high beam location. Are you kidding me? That would have gone perfectly. Oh my God, missed opportunities. So for those of you who don't know, this is a Q45 projector, which is a decent enough HID projector. It's a very unique style and shape, which makes it really cool and very well sought after. It is a low beam only, meaning that you need a dedicated high quality high beam. And guess what he's got here? A halogen bulb. The other thing that makes me super not stoked about this is I can understand why the fanboys on the internet would go wild over this, but you know what? You can see the side of the projector, this unfinished raw steel, or maybe it's aluminum, I don't really know. You can see we got a lot more of a gap on this side, and it took a lot of trimming of the bezel to make that thing fit, but I just think it looks raw and unfinished in this housing. However, the client hired me as a piecemeal job, and I gave him one piece and he's responsible for the rest. So this is the piece that I did. I took his products and put them in his housings. Semi-related, I also rewired the fog light relay on the interior so that the fog lights can come on independent of the headlights. I guess that's a thing. That was, of course, another tutorial website that he sent me that he expected me to enjoy reading. But let me tell you anything, for you guys that are out there making tutorials, the second I see a T-tap in your pictures, I have lost all respect for you. Okay, that's all I gotta say. I don't see myself doing another one of these anytime soon, because there's a million different ways that I would have gone about it, and all of which cost a hell of a lot more. So pricing and product information will be in the video description for whatever that's worth. But this is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. Hey-oh!